It is so neat.
Cool.
It
Then
is
you just
really
wipe
neat.
it off
And then yes, because what it so and then I'm lazy. So sometimes you need to wash it, but I don't want to because I'm lazy. And then what I do is I get a little wipey, just like this. And see, like all these little extras, you just wipe it down. So like, let's say you made a mistake. Well, no problem. You just wipe it off and you're done.
But after it's dry, it's pretty permanent.
It stays. You can rub it and rub it. Like some of those, they're not sealed. You can rub it and rub it and rub it. Nothing happens until you get one of these and wipe it down. So now if you want to permanently leave it there, like if you, let's say you put it on a little table or on a chair, then I would use a sealant. I would spray a sealant and that would do it. But I like to change, so I won't leave it. I won't permanently leave it forever. Because I
Good idea.
Yes.
By the season.
You can change it, but so see right here, I didn't even wash it, and you can reapply it again, and then we're gonna let this one dry so you can see and rub it, and you will see that nothing happens to it. And you just take the excess off, and then so because I didn't wash it very well, you can see where not all of the because I'm lazy. Because I'm lazy. I don't want to because I'm lazy. And then that's what we do.
Just put them in your bucket.
I think so. And then you just wipe this a little excess off. And we're going to let that one dry.
Are those special wipies or are they just
It's
wipies?
just Clorox wipes. And I buy the ones from Sam's, like the ones that come in the big, and that's what I use. And that's it. Now, once it dries, I want you guys to touch it so that you can see that you can't
Have them
mess it
do
up.
one.
Don't smudge.
Yes. Y'all want to do one? All right. Put it here. And I need the little water.
The little water, the spray water.
Well, because I have this dirty.
Okay.
I have that dirty. A bucket.